In order to solve this problem, we first need to remember that the length of the midsegment of a trapezoid is equal to the average of the lengths of the bases. So here we're going to have to solve for x and then plug that value back in order to find the length of the midsegment that we're asked for. But we can plug the information that we're given, where the midsegment equals 6x plus 10, into our equation. Base 1 is equal to 23, and base 2 has a length of 6 plus 9x. And we can take the average of that by dividing it by 2. We can remove the parentheses, and then we can begin to manipulate this equation. So the first thing we're going to do is to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. This is going to give us 12x plus 20 on the left, and leave us with 29 plus 9x on the right. From here we can subtract 9x from both sides of the equation, and that will leave us with 3x plus 20 being equal to 29. We can then subtract 20 from both sides of the equation, and we'll have 3x being equal to 9, and if we then divide both sides of the equation by 3, we'll have our value for x, which is that x is equal to 3. However, what we're looking for is the length of the midsegment. So the midsegment is equal to 6x plus 10. Well, if we know that the length of x is 3, we can plug that value in, so 6 times 3 plus 10, and then solve that equation, and we'll have our final answer, which is that the length of the midsegment is 28.